In this video we're taking an honest look at eToro to help you decide if it's worth using. eToro is a multi-asset trading platform that lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, and CFDs. Its biggest draw is social trading. You can copy the moves of experienced investors, which is great for beginners who want to learn by watching others. The interface is clean, easy to use, and opening an account is straightforward. On the positive side, eToro is regulated by major authorities like the FCA, CSEC, and ASIC, so it has a solid safety framework. The community features and copy trading tools make it unique, and it's especially appealing if you're just starting out or prefer a social investing experience. But there are drawbacks. Fees can be higher than they first appear. Spreads, conversion costs, and a $5 withdrawal fee can add up, and inactivity fees apply after a year. In some countries, crypto options are limited due to regulations. Advanced traders may also find the charting and order tools less flexible compared to specialized brokers. So, is eToro worth it? If you're a beginner or casual trader who values simplicity and community, it can be a good fit. But if you're an active trader seeking low costs and advanced tools, you might want to compare alternatives. For more honest and balanced reviews on trading platforms, make sure to subscribe and stay updated.